Is Windows failing to load because of the Shlwapi module DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. I've diagnosed the corruption and have the fix ready. As we look at the manual steps for Shlwapi module, there is also a diagnostic resource for reviewing your overall system health. This is the Shlwapi module. The Shell Lightweight API library provides high-performance utility functions for string manipulation, path handling, and registry access. It is a fundamental dependency for the Windows Shell and Internet Explorer. A missing Shlwapi.dll error usually indicates a deep system corruption. Without it, nearly all native Windows applications will fail to parse file paths, leading to a total system lockup. Enough of the technical side. Let's get these files back onto your system. Shlwapi is an essential component maintained directly by the operating system. To resolve this, run sfc/scan now from an administrator command prompt to perform a full integrity scan and repair any corrupted Windows binaries. If the application still won't initialize, we need to shift our focus to how the Windows loader is interacting with the library. A quick reboot can determine if the error is transient. While it won't fix a deleted file, it can re-establish the connection between your software and the Shlwapi module file if the path was temporarily busy. Make sure to save your spot by bookmarking this video or hit the like button before you restart so you don't have to search for it again. If the previous steps didn't work, there's one more action we can take to stabilize the environment. Please pause the video if you need to back up your data before we proceed. If those core system files are still missing after the restart, we'll use DISM to pull fresh copies from the cloud. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type DISM //cleanup-image//restore health, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, this triggers a deep cloud sync to replace corrupted local system manifests with verified master files directly from Microsoft servers. To prevent any secondary issues, I recommend a cautious approach to downloading individual system files. Technical warning: many online file mirrors provide versions of Shlwapi module DLL that are either corrupted or intentionally modified, putting your privacy at risk without resolving the underlying execution error. To ensure your system remains within verified parameters, you might choose to use an authorized maintenance path for ongoing support. If you're addressing Shlwapi module inconsistencies, the official utility below provides maintenance-related documentation. If we successfully synchronize the missing library for Shlwapi module today, liking this video helps others find the solution. Subscribe for professional tech support.